Good morning all of you. I am V. Swarnalata, KCPB Tambalpalli, Chittoor district. This section is discussed to the 8th class second chapter, linear equation in one variable. Okay, linear equation in one variable. First you discuss to the what is the equation. What is the equation. See the one example. Children, see Siva is go to the bookshop. She asked shopkeeper, each pen cost how much? He said each pen cost is 5 rupees. Okay, one pen cost 5 rupees. One pen cost 1 into 5, 5 rupees. 2 pen cost how much? 2 into 5, 10 rupees. 5 pen cost how much? 5 into 5, 25. Okay, and so on. X pence cost 5 into x, 5x. Okay, this circular 5 into x, 5x. 5 x pence cost is still 100 rupees. Shopkeeper x pen cost is still 100 rupees. So 5 into x equal to 100 rupees. 5 into x equal to 100 rupees. 5x equal to 100 rupees. Okay, children, is called the algebraic equation. Is it clear? 5x equal to 100 is the equation. Okay, 5x equal to 100 is the equation. Children, 5x equal to 100. Sometimes I am explain the sometimes. What is the variable? Variable nothing but alphabetic letters. Any alphabetic letters is letter English letters. Okay, variable nothing but English letters. Okay, constant nothing but numbers. Constant nothing but number. So coefficient. What is the difference between the constant and coefficient? Constant is a fixed value. It is not changed. Variable is a changing. Okay, constant is a fixed value. Okay, coefficient. What is the coefficient? To multiply the variable number. To multiply the variable number is called coefficient. To multiply the variable and number is called a coefficient. Simply you understand variable before number. Variable before number is called a coefficient. Is it clear? What is the constant and coefficient? Constant is a number. Constant is a only number. It is a fixed value. Coefficient is a variable before number is called coefficient. Another variable is multiply the number is called coefficient. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Coefficient, variable, constant. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear, children, to understand what is the coefficient, variable and constant? Okay? Next, what is the linear equation? What is the linear equation? So, see the children, to write down the definition. If the degree of r power on the equation is 1, it is called linear equation. It is called linear equation. If the degree of 1 is called linear equation. Children, what is the degree and power? To discuss to the 7th class chapter exponentiation. So, x into x how much? How many times x is repeated? 2 times. Is a 2 is a repeating the x. Is 2 is a power or degree. So 2 into not. Only two variable, one variable is not. Linear equation of one variable is not. This is called two variables of linear equation. Is it clear? Next you see, observe the 3 by x by 6 equal to 0. It is linear equation, children. Is not a linear equation. Why? Denominator is x. Is changed to the 3 x power of minus 1, 6 equal to 0. X power of minus 1. So, x power of minus 1. Linear equation is the degree of only 1. Is it 1? Minus 1 not. Okay? Is it degree of 1 is called a linear equation. But this equation minus 1. Minus 1. The degree of minus 1 because it is not a linear equation. Okay, children? Is understand? Children, tell me some more examples. Which one is a linear equation? Which one is not a linear equation? First, 4x plus 6 equal to 8. It is a linear equation. Why? Because it's a degree of 1. 4x minus 5y equal to 9. This become a linear equation. So, 5 cube 6p 13s equal to linear equation. These two examples are not linear equation. Is not linear equation. Why, children? It's become the degree of 2. Why, children? It is not the linear equation. It's the degree of 2. It is not a linear equation. Only degree of 1 is called a linear equation. Okay? Solving the linear equation in two methods. First one, trial and error method. 2x equal to 6. First one, trial and error method. X become, first is substitute, x equal to 1. Is a 6. 3 is not equal to 6. It is not satisfaction. 1. Next, x into 3 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. This method is trial and error method. To substitute the number to get the equal to LHS or LHS are equal. This method is trial and error method. Next one, transformation method. Next one, transformation method. 3x equal to 6. Okay. First transform method. Plus u becomes to the minus. Minus u becomes to the plus. Into is become to the divided by is become to the into. Transformation method to change to the mathematical signs. Plus is become to the change minus. Minus is become to the change plus. Okay. Into is become to change divided by into change the multiplication. Okay. 3x equal to 6. Okay, 3x is nothing but LHS, 6 is a RHS. Okay, so first method to trial and error method, second one transformation method. First step, x quotient how much nana? 3. So divided by both sides by 3. Okay. 3x by 3 equal to 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are. X equal to 2. Okay. Linear equation solved to the transformation method. Okay, children. Transformations LHS or LHS. LHS is become to the head plus minus divided by multiplication. Is changed to the transformation. Plus becomes to the minus. Minus becomes to the plus. Multiplication into is becomes to the divided by. Divided by is become to the multiplication. Okay. Another example. Okay. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Okay. 9 is a constant, 16 is a constant. Okay, minus 9 transport to the other side. LHS minus 9 transport to the RHS. Minus transport to the plus. Okay, is it clear? 7x 16 minus 9 is a transfer to the other side. Minus 9 minus is become to the plus. Plus 9. 7x equal to 16 plus 9. How much, children? 16 plus 9 how much? 25. So x into 7. 7 into x equal to 25. So x into 7. So 7 is the multiplication. To change to the other side transfer to divide it by x equal to 25 by 7. X equal to 25 by 7. Next example, 3x plus 1 equal to 16. So 3x equal to plus 1. Change to the minus 1. 16 minus 1. 3x equal to 15. So x equal to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. X equal to 5. Okay? Children? Next exercise 2.2. First question. Wrote find the x in the following figure. Find the x in the following figures. So first is a triangle. Second one is written. Is it over? C is a external angle. Is internal angles. Some properties given. What is the property, children? The external angle opposite to the internal angles are equal. Okay? External angle equal to the opposite internal angles. Opposite internal angle. Okay? Children, in a triangle, external angle is equal to the opposite sum of the internal angle. Is it clear? External angle equal to the sum of the opposite internal angle. This is the one of the property is triangles. So sum of the opposite, sum of the opposite, x plus 56 equal to the external angle. How much external angle? 123. So is the constant is changed to the right side. X equal to 123 minus 56. How much? 123 minus 56. How much, children? 153 minus 56. How much? This one of the property in a triangle is the external angle equal to the sum of the opposite angle. Okay? External angle opposite sum of the internal angles are equal. So x plus 56 equal to 122. X plus 56 is a LHS. 123 is a RHS. 56 plus 56 is transferred to the RHS. Plus becomes to the minus. Plus becomes to the minus. Plus 52 is transposed to the minus 56. So 123 minus 56 is a 67. X equal to 67. So x value is the 67. See the next figure is a triangle. Sum of the angles how much, children? Sum of the angle is how much? Sum of the angle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angle is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles in triangle 180 degrees. So sum x plus 25 minus 30 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, x plus 25 plus 13 equal to 180 degrees. So x plus 25 plus 13, how much left? 25 plus 13, 55. 55 equal to 180 degrees. 25 plus 13, how much? 55. 55 equal to 180 degrees. 55 equal to 180 degrees. So plus 55 is transferred to the other side. Minus change to the sign. Plus become minus. So x equal to 180 degrees minus 55. Okay, 180 minus 55. X equal to 180 minus 55, how much? 125. Right done, children? Children, see the third question. What is the given third question? What is the difference between the two numbers? Difference between the two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the big number, the result will be becomes to the 3 times of the small number. 3 times of the small number. Okay? To understand this problem, what is it given? The first difference between the two numbers are given. Next, if 2 is added to the bigger number, 2 is added to the bigger number, but bigger number is not given. So, let's the bigger number is denoted x. Next, it will be 3 times of the small number. It will be 3 times of the small number. First, solution. First, you denoted let the bigger number x. Let's bigger number is x. Let the bigger number be x. Right? The difference between the second step, the difference between the two numbers. Two number is 8. Next, what is given? The difference between the two numbers is 8. The difference between the two numbers is 8. X minus 8. The difference between the two numbers is 8. The difference between the two numbers is 8. Next, bigger number is denoted x. The difference between the two numbers is 8. Next to small number. Smaller number. X minus 8. X minus 8. Next, if 2 is added, if 2 is added the bigger number, the result it will be 3 times the small number. 3 times the small number. So, 2 is the added big number. First, 2 is the added big number. How much big number? X. To add the 2. X plus 2 is a big number. Next, the result become equal. 3 times of the small number. 3 times of the small number. What is the small number? X minus 8 is the small number. How many times? 3 times. 3 times. X plus 2 equal to 3 into x minus 8. To solve first, x plus 2 is not changed. Become 3 times become into. 3 into x how much? 3x plus into minus minus 3 into 8 24 3 into 8 24 next x plus 2 equal to 3x minus 24 okay to change to the variables are one side constants are other side so x 3x is changed to the LHS x minus 3x okay minus 24 plus 2 is changed to the RHS plus becomes to the minus so 3x minus 3x how much 1x minus 3x how much 2 sin minus why is bigger number 3x is sign is minus so minus 24 minus 2 how much minus 26 same signs are added okay equal same signs are cancelled next 2x equal to 26 2x becomes 2 into x 2x becomes 2 into x so x equal to is becomes to the into to transfers to the other side is divided by 2 so x equal to 2 ones are 2 3 the x equal to how much 3 30. What is x the bigger number is x so the bigger number is equal to 30 the bigger number equal to 30 smaller number how much x minus 8 x becomes to 13 13 minus 8 how much 5 okay smaller number equal to 5 bigger number equal to 13 okay once again to see that what is given first you can read the problem to understand what is given what is given what is used what is the solve these three ways first what is the given the difference between the two numbers so the difference between the two number is given but the bigger number is not given first step let the bigger number is denoted by x second the difference between the two numbers is 8 so small number equal to x minus 8 next step if 2 is the added to the big number 2 is added to the big number so x plus 2 otherwise 3 times of the smaller number times is nothing but multiply 3 into x minus 8 x plus 2 3 into x how much 3x 3 into 8 24 next we solve the change variables are one side constants are on side so 3x plus 3x is become to the transfer minus 3x plus 2 is becomes to the transfer minus 2 so 3x minus 3x how much minus 2x minus 24 minus 2 how much minus 26 2x equal to 26 x equal to 26 by 2 is calculation 13 x is nothing but bigger number and smaller number is 5 bigger number is 30 smaller number is 5 this problem is correct or not you check next question write down what are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28 so what are those two numbers to find what are those numbers is those numbers two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28 okay what is given this problem sum of the two numbers is given difference between the two numbers is given sum of the numbers is given difference numbers is given but two numbers is not given first you write down the first number first you write down the let's bigger number is x. That the bigger number is denoted x. Sum of the two numbers. How much? 58. Next. Smaller number. X minus 58. Small number x minus 58. Bigger number is x. Smaller number is x minus 58. X minus smaller number is 58 minus x. Okay. What is the given Nana? Whose sum is the 58 and the difference between the 28 and difference between the 58. Let's the bigger number is denoted by x. The sum of the two numbers is given 58. Sum of the two numbers is 58. Smaller number is 28. Smaller number is 28. Next, the difference between the how much? Difference between the two numbers. How much, children? 28. Difference nothing but subtraction. Difference nothing but how much? Difference nothing but subtraction. So first big number minus 58 minus x. How much? 28. So x plus into minus, minus 58 minus into minus plus x equal to 28. X plus x, how much? 2x. 2x minus 58 equal to 28. Minus 58 is transferred to the other side. Minus becomes to the plus. 2x equal to 28 plus 58. 2x equal to 28 plus 58. How much? 86. How much? 86. 2x equal to 86. 2x equal to 86. X equal to 86 by 2. X equal to 86 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 2 threes are. X equal to 43. X equal to 43. X equal to 43. What is the x? What is the x, Nana? The bigger number is x. The bigger number is x. The bigger number how much? The bigger number 43. The bigger number equal to 43. Next, smaller number. 58 minus 8. 58 minus 43. 58 minus 43 how much? 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Smaller number equal to 15. Smaller number equal to 15. Okay? Once again repeat. What is the given, children? The sum of the two numbers is given. The sum of the difference between the two numbers is given. But the numbers is not given. Only sum and difference are not given. Let's first use bigger number equal to x. Bigger number equal to x. Next one, the sum of the two number equal to 58. Second, next step, smaller number is 58 minus x. Smaller number is 58 minus x. The difference between the two numbers equal to 28. So x minus 58 minus x equal to 28. X plus into minus, minus, minus 58, minus into minus, plus x equal to 28. X plus x how much? 2x. 2x minus 58 equal to 28. Minus 58 is transferred to the other side. Minus becomes to the plus. nothing but the bigger number. Bigger number is a 43. Smaller number equal to 58 minus 6. 58 minus 43 is a 50. To find out the two number, small number and bigger number. Is it clear to understand all children? Next problem, write down children. The sum of the three consecutive multiplications of 7 is 777. Find the three multiplications. Find the three multiplications. To give hint, let the three consecutive multiplications are given. Three multiplication. Consecutive of multiplication is also given. Okay. Solution. Let the three consecutive multiplications. 7 is 1 is 6. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 14. So, what is to find out? Find out the three multiplications. Next step. The sum of three consecutive multiplies of 7 is 707. Sum అంటే nothing but addition. 3 multiplication addition is get to the 777. x plus 7 x plus 14 equal to 707. First you addition to the variables x. How many x? 3x. X plus x 2x. 2x plus x 3x. 7 plus 14. 7 plus 14 how much? 21. 7 plus 14 how much? 21. 777. 3x plus 21 equal to 777. Okay. Next. Plus 21 is changed to the other side. Plus 21 is changed to the other side. 3x equal to 777 minus 21. 777 minus 21. 3x equal plus is changed to the other side minus. Plus 21 is changed to the minus 21. 777 minus 21 how much? Okay, 6. 7 minus 2 how much? 7 minus 1 6. 7 minus 2 5. 7. 756. So 3x equal to 756. X equal to 756 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 twos are 6. 1 become 15. 3 fives are 15. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. X equal to 252. 252. Let the three consecutives x equal to 252. Next one x plus 7. X nothing but 252 plus 7. 259. Next x plus 14. 252 plus 14. 266. Okay. Children, see the what is the given? Let the three consecutive multiplication 7s are given. So what is the three multiplications? X plus 7, x plus 14. Next one, what is the given? The sum of the two consecutive 7 is say 777. X plus 7, x plus 14 equal to 777. X plus x 3x. 7 plus 14 21. 777. 3x plus 21 is changed to the other side, plus becomes to the minus. 3x equal to 777 minus 21. 3x equal to 771 minus 21. How much? 756. So x equal to 756 by 3. So divide it by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 fives are, 3 twos are 6. So divided by 252. X equal to 252. So what is the x? You constitute of one number. Multiplication of one number equal to 252. Another number 256. Third number 266. Is it clear, children? Okay. Any doubts? No. Next problem. Two complementary angles is divided by 12. Find the angle. What is the given, children? Two complementary angles. Difference. Two complementary angles are difference by 12. Find the angle. First, what is the complementary angle? The sum of the two angles equal to the 90 degrees. The sum of the two angles equal to 90 degrees is nothing but complementary angle. First step. Let the one angle of complementary friend is become to the x. Next, sum of the two complementary angles 90 degrees. Next one, second angle 90 minus x. 90 minus x. What is the given? The difference of complementary angle. Angle equal to 12. The difference of complementary angle equal to 12. Next, x minus x equal to 12. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. X equal to 12. X plus x, how much? 2x. 2x minus 19 equal to 12. So, minus 19 is changed to the other side. Minus becomes to the plus. 12 plus 19. 2x equal to 102. So, x equal to, by 2 ones are, 2 5s are 1. X equal to 51. One angle 51. Second angle 90 minus x. 90 minus 51. 90 minus 51, how much? 39. Is it clear, children? Okay. Write down. Children, next exercise 2.3. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. First equation 8m. 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. Okay. First you divide to the variables on one side, constants on one side. You divide to the change to the variables one side, constants one side. 8m plus m plus 7m is changed to the LHS is become to the minus 7m. So 8 plus 9 change to the minus 9. Plus 9 change to the minus 9. 8m minus 7m m. 8 minus 9 minus 1. M equal to minus 1. Okay, is it clear? First variables, all variables are one side, constants are one side to change. plus 7m is becomes to the minus 7m. Plus 9 is changed to the minus 9. 8m minus 7m, m. 8 minus 9, minus 1. Next, 3 bracket nothing but multiplication. Is it clear? Bracket nothing but multiplication. So, 3 into x. 3 into x how much? 3 into x, 3x. 3 into t, 3t. Plus into minus, minus. 3 into 3, 9. Okay, next. 5 into 2t. 5 into 2t, 10t. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Say, variables are one side. 3t plus 10t. It's changed to the other side, minus. Minus 5. Minus 9 is becomes to the change, plus 9. 3t minus 10t. How much? Minus 7t. Minus 5 plus 9, 4. T equal to minus 4 by 7. So, t equal to minus 4 by 7. Okay? See the children? Bracket nothing but multiplication. The two terms is multiplied by 3. Two terms are multiplied by 3. 3 into t, 3. 3 into 3, 9. Plus into minus, minus. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into t, t. 5 into 1, 5. Plus into minus, minus. To change the variable at one side, constants at other side. 3t plus 10 becomes to the minus 10, minus 5. Minus 9 becomes to the plus 9. 3t minus 10, minus 7. Minus 7t. Minus 5 plus 4, minus 4. T equal to 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Next one, see the children. 8 into x, how much? 8x. Plus into minus, minus. 8 3s are 24. Plus into minus, minus 6. Plus into minus, plus 2x equal to 2 into x, 2x. 2 into 2, plus into plus, plus 2 into 2, 4. Plus into minus, minus 5 into 5, 5. Minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. Next, 8x, 2x. Two addition only variables. 8x plus 2x how much? 10x. 24 minus 6 minus 30 equal to 2x plus 5x. How much? 7x. Plus 4 minus 5 minus 1. So, to change plus 7x is other side, minus 7x equal to minus 1 plus minus 13 is changed to the other side, plus 10x minus 7x how much? 3x. Minus 1 plus 13 how much? 29. So, x equal to 29 by 3. 29 by 3 is now divided. 3. So, 8 into x how much? 8x. 8 3s are 24. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus 2x. 2 into x 2x. 2 into 2 4. Plus into minus, minus. Sorry children, see the once again 8 into x 8x, 8 3s are 24, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 2x, 2 into x 2x, 2 into 2 4, minus 5 into 5 minus 25, minus into minus plus 5 into x 5x. So 8x plus 2x 10x, 24 minus 6 13, 2x minus 5x 7x, 4 minus 21, 21. To change 10x minus 7x equal to minus 21. Minus 13 is changed to the plus 13. 10x minus 7x, 3x. Minus 21 plus 13 how much? 9. 3x equal to 9. X equal to 3 by 9. 3 ones are 3 3s are. X equal to 9. Okay children? X equal to 9. Option. Okay, children. Once again, repeat to the discuss to this section. What is the equation? What is the linear equation? What is the equation is nothing but equal to the sign. Equal to the sign. What is the equation? 3x plus 6 equal to 21. So 3x plus 6 is nothing but LHS. 21 is the RHS. Okay, is the equation. So explain the terms. 3 into x. X is the variable. 3 is the coefficient. 6 is the constant. Okay. What is the linear equation? If the degree of 1 is called a linear equation. Linear equation nothing but simply equation. Linear equation nothing but simply equation. The equation is only one variable is called linear equation of one variable. Linear equations of one variable. Okay. Linear equations of one variable. Next, solve the linear equations. How many methods? Two methods. One is trial and error method. Second one, transformation method. What is the transformation? Basic. Plus this becomes to the minus. Minus this becomes to the plus. Into is becomes to the divided by. Divided by is becomes to the into. Is it carefully, clearly to understand, children? To plus this becomes to the minus. Minus this becomes to the plus. Plus this becomes to the divided by. Divided by is becomes to the multiplication. Okay? Is it clear? Children, to write down the notes, give some problems, homework. Open your notebooks, write down the homework, children. First question, the perimeter of school volleyball court is 177 feet and the length is the twice of the width. What are the dimensions of the volleyball court? What are the dimensions of volleyball court? Second question, 3 into n minus 4 plus 2 into 4n minus 5 equal to 5 into n plus 2 equal to 60. Over. Next question. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 60. Okay, children? Are you completed your homework? Okay. See the ball next class.